How to get Spotify Premium for students. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can get Spotify Premium for students. Now the process is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First, you want to open up your Spotify application and you should get an interface like this on the home page. What you want to do is at the bottom of your screen you can see four different options: home, search, your library and premium option, right? You want to simply tap on premium option and you'll be headed into this premium page. If you scroll down below here, scroll down until you find the option premium student. Under pick your premium, you'll find various premium offers, right? You want to select the option premium student and tap on it. Tap on try 1 month for free here. And once you do so, here this page will load up. Let it load up fully, and you can see first you'll have to verify you're a student. First, we need to check you are enrolled at an accredited college or university. Not sure if you're eligible. If you want, you can learn more. Now here what you want to do is you want to verify it. You want to simply tap on next, and here what you'll have to do is you'll have to fill out the form, couple of forms here. Now you'll have to enter in your country, your school, your first name, last name, date of birth, email address, and then your mobile number, and then check this box and then tap on next. And once you do so, you'll have to go through a couple of steps, and once you do so, you'll be able to get the Spotify Premium for students. So this way you can get Spotify Premium for students. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.